Hi everyone, welcome back to Code Simplified. If you are excited about AI agents and you want to understand how Google is building real production ready agent systems without much coding, then you are in the right place. In this video, we are going to make our second agent through another model which is not the default model, that is a Gemini 2.5 Flash. So in the previous video, I have made our agent 1 as and through our model Gemini 2.5 Flash. So let's start. So before start, I will urge you to like and subscribe my channel because this will boost my confidence. So start. So before starting, we have to create our agent, that is ADK create. Let's say our agent name is agent 2. Straight and simple. We will be creating our agent number 2 with another model. So that's how it will be made. Okay. So you can see this fill in the model. We will be using this afterwards. But before, let's deep dive into it. So first we will be copying our Google API key and pasting it here. We can skip this part of Google AI Vertex because for now we don't need it. So now after going there, so there will be little amount of changes. Okay. So this part which we are doing now we will not call our agents through this method. We will be calling our agents to light LLM. So to understand what is light LLM, you can go to this and just install pip install light LLM and you can read and go through the documentation. We will be importing through this only because why we are using light LLM? This is an important question of why we are using light LLM because we will be using another API key and another model. Like here they have used OpenAI GPT-4o. We will be using the best model that is available now. So let's start. So first we will be removing this part and replacing it with light LLM. Now the agent part will come later. So we will be changing our root agent name to, let's say, greeting agent because we will be first making our greeting agent of hi hello, which will be just greeting it, means just how we will be making it. This is how we will be making it. So description is this agent will greet will greet users. Yeah, it is giving auto, so I don't have to write anything about that. And now the most important part, the agent will be made through instruction. This thing is very important. We have to understand that here the agents are made through instructions only. So let's write the instruction. You means this is a, you can see the by writing you only it is giving the full instruction, so I will be just tabbing it and going there. It is saying that lightroom is not accessed. Okay, we will be fixing that. First we will be loading the dot environment. Now after you can see, like we will be initializing the model through light LLM. So previously it was giving some error like the model was not accessed. Now it will be accessed because we were not accessing the model first. So what will be the model? Here you can see what will be the model. Uh, uh, so to get the model, we will be just using one thing. Means how to understand which model we will be using, because we have to get our free API key. So we will be just going here, uh, just search on the tab Grok. Grok. Here they provide free API key. So I have my own account logged in here. If you don't have your account, just make the account, and then you can make your own API keys. Like I have my account, I will be getting my API key. If you want to make another API key, it will be like this. Just name the API key like agent, and it has no expiration. So sometime now I will be copying that. First, I will be going to the environment because I have to initialize the API key first. So, oh, oh, so we will be making our API key. So we can make n number of API keys. That will not be a problem at all. So we will be just copying the API key and just pasting it here. Okay. Control S. Now in the agent system, we will be making which model we will be using. Now that's an important part. To know which model we will be using, we can go to Grok, and like this GPT OSS 120 billion parameter we will be using. So just copy the name, and in model section you will be writing Grok, because from where it will be getting the solution is important. So it will be within an inverted comma, which I have. Now you can see that the agent part is not working. For that, we will be just importing the agent part. Oh, yes. So this is our program. Now we will be running it. So now what we will be doing is ADK web. So we have made our second program through the GPT OSS 120 billion parameter. So just go there. Now ADK web is running. We just have to go to the server that it has provided. Now through agent 2 that we have made, I will be asking some easy questions like hi. It will be first asking my name. Thank you for asking. I'm here to greet you. Why? it is saying that I am here to greet you is because this is a greeting agent. Similarly, we will be making many more agents. Then we will be using some more works that we can do through ADK. So this is the fourth video only. So this is just a basic greeting agent. So you can see on the event section, you can see how it has been working. Like you can see that the greeting agent has been called. The model version is Gemini 2.5 Flash for the first one, but now it is GPT 120 billion parameter. So now you can see the request. Hi user, hello. It's great to hear from you. And how are you, user? How can I help you today? Just greet me. I am saying just greet me. My name is Kanishka. Hello, Kanishka. It's a pleasure to meet you. Now I will be asking any type of question like what is black tea? So you can see what output it is saying. As a greeting agent, my primary function is to offer friendly greetings. I'm not equipped to provide detailed information on specific topics like black tea. Why it is showing this? Because it has not, it doesn't have the power to give you answers from what is black tea or other. Like it doesn't have the power to do anything extra that I have not said. So to implement these things, we can just go. We will be going by going forward. We will be making these implementations. For now on, this is our second basic agent, greeting agent. So you through the event part, you can see how the request response. You can always see how the request is, how the response is, how many tokens, what is the modality, that is it is a textual format, the total count, everything will be, you can see here. And the traces will be there only, how it is working, like invocation, like after that the invoke agent, greeting agent has been invoked, then the call LLM has been invoked, then the generation of the content has been done. Similarly for each and everyone it will be the same. The state part we will be making afterwards. In the session it is always stored. So ADK has a part called sessions where it stores, like ChatGPT, the previous chats that it has. So this is how we will be making our third agent also in the next upcoming videos. So thank you. And before leaving, please like and subscribe my channel. And if you have any problem, just pin in the comment and I will be surely answering the questions. So please like and subscribe my channel. Thank you. Wait for the next video to come.